You know that sinking feeling when your car makes that noise? Yeah, it's the sound of your bank account crying. Good news. CarShield helps cover the stuff that actually ruins your day. Engines, transmissions, starters, fuel pumps, all the expensive scary words. Want coverage that slaps with new car warranty energy? Diamond Plan. Because let's face it, you deserve nice things. Got an old warhorse with 1,000,000 miles? Platinum Plan. Basically, life support for your ride. Don't wait until your car starts to sound like a microwave full of forks. You need your car running to get to the grocery store, doctor, or, I don't know, outrun the apocalypse. Point is, whether your car's a newborn or a zombie, CarShield's got your back. And the best part, month-to-month coverage. It helps eliminate the commitment issues. Just like your ex. You're welcome. Call now. Let us help protect your car and your wallet. Or just keep rolling the dice. Your call.